Here is a short tutorial on how to use the PDF template. You can use this template to display PDF files for your app's user to see in full screen. You can share documents, simple charts, and much more. You should, however, consider the limits of a small screen when selecting the type of PDF you decide to use. Let's explore the PDF template. Start by selecting it from the Templates list at the left. Assign a screen name and edit the title bar. Now, click the Upload button to access files on your computer. Select a PDF file and open it. And then it'll appear on your preview screen. That's all there is to it. Good luck!